Doc, do you really believe na deeply rooted at very systemic and structural and we need a solid reform sa ating education and healthcare system?
Well, ang una natin kailangan liderato. Kasi lahat naman yan kukumpas eh. If we have a good leader na honest, may integrity, may compassion, may moral courage, may wisdom, at may social justice, matutupad yan. And then, pipili sila ng magagaling na cabinet members na competent, compassion, may care, at talaga mag-execute, matutupad yan. Even if we say is structural, still, ang magpambalakad pa rin yan, tao, leader pa rin. So everything actually is anchored on good leadership. At kung wala tayong ganong klaseng leader na agile, mabilis kumilos at may care for the country, all of the plans natin, hindi natin ma-execute. Yun ang aking it's actually leadership driven. Like, for example, Singapore, kaliit-liit na bansa, nung nilid ni Lee Kuan Yew, naging maayos. Si Malaysia, nung nalid ni Mahathir, naging maayos. Diba? So, what I'm saying, na leadership driven ang success ng country.